Hey guys, I'm Daryl and welcome to my off-road camper build. I recently did an install video into my Jeep of a 67 Designs mounting system. Really pleased with it, and if you haven't seen the video, I'll link to it up here. Onto that mounting system I've got a phone mount, and I've got a GoPro mount, and onto that GoPro mount I've got my DJI action camera. Fits onto the same mount. It can be forward facing or reverse facing if I need to do face to camera work, and it's a really awesome system. And I was chatting to the guys from 67 Designs and they said, hey, noticed your camper build, we've actually got a mount that'll work with that. And it was like, oh, I've been looking for a way to mount my iPad within the camper, and this is just perfect. For those that haven't seen the 67 Design mounting system before, the base of the system are these slotted tracks, and I've got a long and a short. Because this is a universal system, I've also got some feet that these tracks can sit in, and I've got two end feet and a middle foot, and that just stabilises the tracks. Into these tracks you would put these balls, and you can have multiple balls in the tracks, and off those balls you can put different size arms. The arms come in different length, different finishes. You can get a polished and unfinished carbon fibre. With this I've gone for a polished carbon fibre, and I think you'll agree that looks awesome. 67 Design has a whole heap of iPad accessories, and these just clip into the arms. So it's a fairly simple system, but it works really well, and you can just have so many variations with the one track. It's not funny. Today we're going to mount the longer track with these feet, this arm and this iPad mount into the cabin of the camper. So this is where we're going to mount this track and iPad mount. Now I'm going to mount it underneath the cupboard here, and the reason I'm doing that is that I can swing the iPad out when I want to use it, but swing it back underneath when I don't, and that gives us full access to the cupboards and it's non-intrusive. First off though, we need to put the feet on this, and I've noticed with the feet that they actually slide and stay there, which makes installation really nice. So that's a good thing. Now I was going to bolt this on with two bolts at either end, and I just think I'm going overboard. It's all very light, and I was a bit concerned about you being able to see the bolts inside the cupboard floor. So at this point I'm just going to use some stainless screws. At a later date, if it does come loose, I can take those out and bolt it in, so there's no problems there. First off, I'll put the center one in, and that allows us to hold it up and then square it off so it's perfect underneath there, and then we'll just screw it all in, but it's a really simple install. Now as you can see, that's now held up by one screw, and now I can just put the other two in. So then it's just getting the swivel bowl and sliding that into the track, centering that, doing up the Allen key, then getting the carbon fibre arm, installing that onto the swivel ball. iPad mount. And then it's just sliding the iPad into the unit. When I don't want to use it, it's then just undoing it and sliding it back underneath. Really simple. admit, it's turned out really nicely. It's lightweight, it looks awesome with the polished carbon fibre, it swings away and comes back out easy, it's unobtrusive, just does what it needs to do. If I wanted to upgrade to a larger screen at a later date, I can upgrade to whatever iPad and iPad Pro or the like, and just purchase another holder for it off 67 Designs. So you've got to be happy with all that. And yeah, I might just sit in here and watch some Project Binky. I hear there's a latest episode out. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye now.
This is how we do this.